Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for preschool learners worksheet activity. Picture recognition. Look at the letter. Look at the letter. Choose which picture name begins with the sound of that letter stands for and the color yellow below that picture. Mango, bag, dog. What letter is here? M. M for mango. Color the star yellow. M. Ball, fish, tree. What letter is here? T. T for tree. Color the star yellow color. G. Fox, grapes, owl. G for grapes. Color the star yellow. G for grapes. S. Ship, cow, xylophone. S for sheep. Color the star. M for mango. T for tree. G for grapes. S for sheep. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.